Imagine eating the same salad every single day for a month. Caterers at over 90% offices, not just in India but across the world, offer a cuisine with minimal to no variety. Employees complain about the food. The facilities manager trials new caterers and replaces the old one with the highest rated one. And then, after a couple of months, the same old story repeats. The complaints are back. The problem here is food fatigue. The way to break this fatigue is to offer variety and choice. Then why can't the caterers offer just that? Serving a menu with variety is three times more expensive than a typical meal. 90% of companies and their employees can't afford that. In India alone, this amounts to over 6.2 million employees. At the canteens, we get a concentrated pool of customers who want food right then and are ready to spend. This is a high value, repeatable income opportunity. To address this, all we need to do is provide variety at the right cost. We at Zook have come up with the most affordable solution to offer variety and choice to any and every company. The robotics kiosks that we've built can prepare and serve fresh food live. They occupy just about the space of a refrigerator and can be placed anywhere. Stocked with fresh ingredients, they could prepare a variety of dishes across multiple cuisines with absolutely zero human intervention. Customers could select the dish of their choice from our app and place an order. The dish would be prepared and served in just about 45 to 60 seconds. There is more. Each dish can even be personalized. You want that dish less spicy or with extra cheese? Zook would make that for you. And it can also remember your preference forever if you would like it to. This is possible because all our recipes are digital. This also lets our creative chefs at the central kitchen create and improve a recipe, send it to every machine across the world, all with just one click. Preparing food at a live counter involves only a finite set of operations. It is just these six that you are seeing over here. A skilled cook knows how to apply these across a wide range of ingredients the right way. We had to build a machine that could do all of that at an incredibly low cost with compact footprint. Our machine costs just 2% that of competitive products and occupy only 5% their space. Moreover, since we deploy them at places with assured demand, our payback period is just between 4 to 8 months. Our first product, Zook Primers, currently serves snacks and salads. This is just the beginning. We would be able to serve meals across multiple cuisines in a few months and more types of food in the long run. After going through consumer trials, which have garnered highly positive feedback, we are pleased to say we are starting our pilot with a large corporation and would be serving their hundreds of employees starting this September. We also have signed letters of intent with some of India's largest cafeteria management companies who serve between 600 to 650k employees across 600 plus locations every single day. We are working with one of the largest airports in India and will be installed in their staff canteen very shortly. Our initial target is urban offices and factories who have between 200 to 2000 employees. These places are large enough for us to address, but they are small for companies like Elior, Compass, or Exos, etc. of the world. We are also seeing strong interest from large education institutions and public facilities like airports, metro stations, and so on. Just these specific segments of the market that we are planning to address in India is a cumulative $13 billion. Globally, the same segments are worth well over $480 billion. I am Rajagopal. I am the CEO of Zook. I am a repeat entrepreneur, a YC alum, and have built consumer hardware products across Shenzhen and India. Ratul, our CTO, has architected several high-scale products, including Foodpanda for India and an IoT platform for monitoring car health for Ola cabs. We have a stellar robotics team and a board of technical advisors with extensive experience building high-precision hardware and robotic products. We are bringing alive a future where the world's kitchens come in a box. Hit us up if you would like to be part of our journey. Thank you.